Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, Hump Day, and January 25th. So we'll kind of jump right into it. Got some big news going on today, and of course, we had the State of the Union yesterday. So I'm not sure if you all caught it, but so we'll just jump right into it here. We'll start with the FHFA home prices. This is for what it was back in November's numbers. So October we had a kind of a drop in the home prices, but in November actually improved a little bit to 1%. So pretty optimistic news there. Home prices jumped up a little bit in November. Pending home sales for December. So November was up 7.3%, and looks like it cut short during the holiday season. So pending home sales dropped on 3.5% for December. So, but we'll kind of see how it looks. From first initial things, January's looking a lot better. So I think people are just kind of waiting and kind of enjoying the holidays for that. So I think you'll see a bigger improvement here in January here. Then let's take a look at, and then later today we got the Fed announcement with Bernanke's speech afterwards. So we'll kind of be waiting for that. The markets will be kind of, that will probably dictate where things go today in terms of, the stock market as well as the bond market. So let's jump over to headline news. Right now the stock market's a little mixed. Right now they're taking their time on the regards to the waiting for Bernanke's speech, but meanwhile they're kind of looking at the earnings reports on corporations that are kind of being released right now. So right now it's a little mixed on there. I think Nasdaq's up, S&P and Dow are down. Nasdaq got a big boost from Apple. Also, there's a little bit of concern going on with Portugal's cost of debt. So they could maybe need a bailout, just like another bailout type format, like what Greece is going through, where they need to restructure their debt. So now there's some thoughts about Portugal as well. That could be a big, obviously, they're a bigger economy than Greece. That could have a bigger impact, obviously, on the Euro land. And so with all that information, let's go see how this is all affecting bonds and where the interest rates are moving today. Oops, sorry about that, folks. That's an old one. Here we are today. We were down yesterday, and basically yesterday we closed about 3 basis points from actually on Monday. So we were slightly better. It looks like the pattern is kind of breaking right now, the downward trend. We're kind of working our way upwards. Right now we're about 15 basis points higher from where we left off yesterday. So that's kind of good news right now. We're kind of fighting the ceiling of resistance. So we'll see if we can break above this ceiling and maybe reach the 10-day moving average, kind of like where we were about 2 weeks ago. So right now rates are looking a little bit better today, and but that could quickly change after Bernanke's speech. So we'll kind of wait and see what he has to say later today. You guys have a wonderful day. If you guys are on the site, please subscribe and get your free updates. See you tomorrow.